Hello and good morning. Welcome back to this video lecture series. Dear students, today we are going to have one more exercise based on models. So let's get started without any delay. So let's have a look. Practice exercise number 2 based on models. You look tired, you go to bed. Somebody is saying to you, you look tired, you go to bed. So somebody is giving his or her advice that you look tired, so you go to bed. You go to bed and sleep. बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो, आपको सोना चाहिए. This is an opinion or this is an advice. And so for giving opinion and advice, we use should. Yes, you look tired, you should go to bed. आपको बिस्तर पे जाना चाहिए, आपको सोना चाहिए, because you are tired, you look tired, so you should take rest. The government do more to reduce the crimes. क्राइम्स को रिड्यूस करने के लिए, कम करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को कुछ और करना चाहिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ सजेशन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. सो फॉर सजेशन ऑल्सो वी यूज मॉडल शुड. द गवर्नमेंट शुड do more to reduce the crimes. Next, we haven't got much time, we hurry. We haven't got much time, हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. We hurry, हमें जल्दी जल्दी करना होगा, हमें जल्दी जल्दी जाना होगा. We haven't got much time, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. Alright, so it indicates that we have no option, just we have one option, that we must hurry. Alright, so here we haven't got much time, we must hurry. Alright, we have no option, so we must hurry. Alright, it's a secret, you share it with anybody. It's a secret, ये बहुत गुप्त बात है, ये रहस्य है. You share it with anybody, तुम्हें किसी के साथ इसको साझा नहीं करना है. At any cost you will not share it with anyone. So when you are not to do, you cannot do it. There we use must not. You must not share it with them. If you want even, then you cannot share. So that is restriction, and here you have to use must not. We have plenty of time, we hurry. We have plenty of time, हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. We hurry, हमें कोई जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Not required. Then the thing which is not required, we use need not. Model need, and for negative sense, so need not. We have much time, so we need not hurry. Alright, next, I use your mobile please. May I use your mobile please? Somebody is seeking permission, somebody is requesting you. Okay, question mark and please, it is polite request, and for extreme polite request we use could. Could I use your mobile please? Alright, I come in sir, this is a formal permission, so we use can. May I come in sir? May I come in sir? So we are seeking permission, and this permission is formal because it is sir. Alright, you not to walk on the grass, you not to walk on the grass. See this too, you must not walk on the grass, it's okay, but here it is to is given, and there is only one model that is followed by to, that is ought to. So you ought not to walk on the grass, आपको घास पे नहीं चलना चाहिए. Alright, he passed if he worked hard. See, conditional clause if he worked hard, second form. अगर मेहनत करता तो वो पास हो जाता. If he worked hard, he would pass. When in condition clause there is V2, then we use in result clause would and be1. So here would will come. Alright. Candidates answer all the questions. Candidates answer all the questions. So candidates are requested formally that they should attempt all the questions. They should write answers of all the questions. So whenever it is a formal notice or formal instruction, we always use should. Alright. Candidates should answer all the questions. You do as you are told. You do as you are. जैसा तुम्हें कहा गया है वैसा ही तुम्हें करना है. You have no option. Then you must do it. There is no alternative. There is no other choice. You must do as you are told because you have no option. You have to do it. You are bound to do it. So as you are told, you must do it. You keep your promise. आपको आपका प्रॉमिस वादा निभाना चाहिए. So for that, you should keep your promises. Alright students, so this is all for today's video. See you soon in my next video. Thank you very much.